When it comes to high-end PC components and peripherals, Lian Li is one of the top brands to consider. Primarily popular for its high-quality PC cases and fans, the company has recently started to create premium AIOs for high-end builds. The Lian Li Hydroshift is their latest AIO line, and the 360R stands out as the best blend of features, performance, and price. The Hydroshift LCD 360R is mainly a successor to the Lian Li Galahad 2 LCD. This newer AIO features a similar 360mm radiator, an improved pump with a higher flow rate, low noise levels, and better fans. From the Hydroshift line, you can also get the Hydroshift 360S, which comes with basic fans and no RGB, or the Hydroshift 360TL, featuring Uni-TL fans. In terms of appearance, this is one of the best-looking AIOs out there. The standout feature here is the 2.88-inch IPS display with a square aspect ratio. It's one of the better-looking LCD pumps with a high brightness of 500 nits. You can control the display with Lian Li's software, which is easy to use and comes with a few designs preloaded. The 360R version also comes with ARGB fans that feature a daisy chaining function. Another interesting feature is the attached bar that hides the tubes connecting to the radiator behind the back of the AIO. This means the tubes don't hang over your RAM sticks, ensuring full compatibility. The radiator is 31mm thick, which makes it bigger than a lot of entry-level 360 AIOs. The fans have a maximum speed of 2,500 RPM, which means there's a lot of cooling performance to unpack here. Out of the box, you get a lot of accessories with the Hydroshift 360R. This includes the 360mm radiator, pre-installed ARGB fans, mounting hardware for Intel and AMD, thermal paste, cable management clips, and alternate parts for cases that have reverse installation like the Lian Li O11 case. Thankfully, it's not just about the looks with this AIO. In terms of performance, the cooler does an excellent job keeping CPUs under heavy CPU loads. It can even handle the mighty 14900K, which is no small feat. Under normal ambient temperatures, most CPUs will stay under 70 degrees, usually at 65 to 68 degrees Celsius. Since the cooler is designed for even higher-end CPUs, the fans only ramp up to about 70 to 80% speeds. However, if you do run the fans at full max speed, the noise creeps up to around 47 decibels. This is a bit louder than almost every air cooler out there, but about average if you factor in other 360 AIOs at the same price. One of the few 360 AIOs that has an LCD at this price is the Thermaltake Tough Liquid Ultra. The overall performance and noise levels are quite similar between the two, but the Lian Li version has a thicker radiator and ARGB fans. Lian Li's software for customizing the display also works better than Thermaltake's, though that's a minor advantage. Considering the price is similar between the two, and the Lian Li cooler features better adjustable tubing, the Hydroshift 360R is the winner here. So, the 360R AIO certainly has a lot going for it. Adjustable tubing, a stunning IPS display, excellent performance, and a decent price. The only downside is the louder noise levels at 100% speed. Still, it's hard to find a 360 AIO with a display at this price, and harder still to find one that's not nearly $400. If you have the budget for it, this is an excellent AIO that will last you for quite some time. To sum up, what I like is the decent price considering the feature set, the very impressive performance, the adjustable tubing, and the bright and colorful IPS display. On the downside, it gets a bit loud at 100% fan speeds. Thanks for staying till the end. Remember, you can check current prices in the description below. And if you're looking to optimize your PC even further, don't stop here. We have more videos filled with suggestions and reviews to help you make the best decisions.